It's a rainy afternoon on the boat, and I thought I'd sit down and do a little tutorial on how I keep my birthday cards. So I've done this for both my kids, just to keep them all nice and organised so that they can look back on all the memories later on. These are my personal cards. Please don't mind my nails. I've been working hard at the jewellery store all day. So this is, you know, things that they've made me, and it's one of my favourites, my little Charlie bear. And it's just nice to be able to flip through them. So I've found a whole heap of cards that I haven't done this with yet, so I'm going to add them to my little flip book. I'll give you a little how-to on how I do it. So all we need for this project is whatever cards you want to put together, and these little rings, and I don't really know what they're called, but I found a little link on eBay which I'll share so that you can search for them too. They're really handy because they unhinge like that and just click back together. So I don't know where I've been keeping these cards, but this one is literally from when I was born. It's beautiful. It's my mum's with an Irish blessing. This card's from my granddad and his beautiful wife Beverly. I'm going to put the photo in that one as well. My son with his little fingerprints. So much cuteness. This one, someone very special gave me this a long time ago. You'll know who you are. And rest assured, if you ever made me a special card, I still have it. This is from my sister for my 30th birthday. She's really crafty too. And this one's super special. This is from my best friend from when I was a kid, and we used to play this game a lot. And she just said that she'll never forget the dreams we had back then. So this is the kind of stuff I want to keep special. So it's really simple. All you need to do is get your hole punch, and if I was doing this again, what I'd do is I'd line them all up on the bottom with one of these things, but I didn't start it that way, so I'm just going to keep going the way that I've done. But if you had them all the same, then they'd sit up better in a bookcase or something. So I'll just keep going and then just punch it. Alright, so they've got their holes in them. Now I'll just carefully open that up, and it's as simple as threading them on. All done.